Hello and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can join, search for communities and join communities on Reddit from your mobile device. Now Reddit on PC and Reddit on the mobile device is very different. Before it used to be similar, but due to some recent updates, Reddit now looks completely different on your mobile device. So now over here, as you can see, there's a few paid channels that I follow. Now I also want to follow the keyboard community. So what I want to do is type in keyboard, and now as you can see it says r/keyboards. Now what we want to do is just click on r/keyboards, and from here, as you can see, there is a blue join button right on the right. So what we want to do in order to join this community is press on that join button, and as soon as we do that, that's about it. Now it's also going to give us a few suggestions of other communities that we can join, but we're not really interested in all of that, so actually we can join the custom keyboards as well. So just like that, we just join two different communities just like that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.